I can bet all of you sitting here, especially mothers, are pro dodgeball players. Don't believe me? Then let's return to your everyday morning routine where you have to dodge things for your kids like books, socks, water bottles, etc. just when a school bus is honking at your gate. I come from no different home. At home, my mornings were a bit of mess because I wasn't very organized. My parents would start arguing about whose job is to help me prepare, and things would get even more tense. This chaos wasn't just something that happened in the morning, but it affected the rest of my day too. By the time I got to school, I felt distracted, upset, and it was really hard for me to focus on my schoolwork. All this disorganization made my school life harder. This prompted me to look up more about the situation and find out some solutions. In this process, I figured out the probable root cause, which is inadequate preparation. Many children face the same struggle, and the root cause is being unprepared. Research shows that chronic stress can have lasting effects on children's cognitive development. According to American Psychological Association, that prolonged stress increases cortisol levels in brain, which is crucial for problem solving and staying organized. Studies have also revealed that stress can impair executive function, which is crucial for problem solving and memory retention. Worldwide, over 50% of children face experiencing stress related to home and school environments. Luckily for me, I've been playing tennis for some time now. And like a eureka moment, the solution struck on a Saturday evening when I was watching a tennis match. One player's movement caught my eye. A player was hopping before his opponent made contact with the ball. Normally, players would hop after their opponent makes contact with the ball. So this really caught my attention. I couldn't resist. I asked my coach, why would any player would hop before his opponent makes contact with the ball? Why was the player wasting his energy? And then my coach explained that this isn't just a random hop. It's a split step. The split step is a fundamental footwork move in tennis where it involves a small jump slightly off the ground and land on the feet of the balls and quickly push off yourself in the direction of the incoming ball. This helps you to get into position fast and respond to your opponent's shot quickly. It's about anticipating your opponent's move and making your body to respond instantly. But here is the twist. Mastering this technique is far from easy. It's one of the primary reasons why high-level players can retrieve so many balls successfully than recreational players. Research shows that the split step is more than tennis trick. It trains your brain too. Its precise timing trains the brain to work stimuli faster, sharpen motor control, and boost agility. I like this technique and requested my coach to please train me with this. As I started mastering this technique, I felt like it was just a technique to improve my game. But the more I practiced, the more I realized that split step was teaching me something deeper. I started applying the split step to my daily routine, like preparing my bag, laying out my clothes, and getting my mind ready for the next day. I could take control of my mornings instead of reacting to the morning rush. It's like doing a mental split step before the day even begins. I started applying the split step to my daily routine, like preparing my night before. So what started as a simple question? Why was he hopping early turned into a powerful connection between mind and movement? Now I could even ace my tests and even focus on my studies, teaching me that little preparation goes a long way, both in tennis and in life. This is my game, and my game transformed this way. Now it's time for you to look at what transforms your game. Thank you.